data for our second slide, and there's quite a few links, so I wanted to make this video to help you navigate it. We want to get like a scatter plot of the color data. So the first thing you want to do is you want to download your images. So if you want to find that here. So if I click triathletes ads, you want to do it once for ads, once for articles. We're going to download all of these pictures on the computer itself. So if you hit this drop down, you can download it. So when you save it on your computer, you're going to want to open the zip file. So you double click it, and that will give you the triathletes ads. So if I look at these, should have all the ads or articles. Okay, you want to do them in two separate folders. All right. Second thing, we're going to run Collab 1, which is also, I put these links here as well. Okay, so there's directions in here, step 1, step 2, step 3. First thing you want to do is hit play. Step 2, we're going to upload our pictures. So hit play again. And then you can choose your files. So once you open up that, highlight the whole thing, not just one picture, the whole thing. Now, this might take a couple minutes, but it shouldn't take more than 5 minutes, and hopefully it'll run fast. Okay, when it's done, you'll see that green check. Done. Step 3, we're going to go through and select the points from our pictures. So it's going to show us the picture, then we're going to hit a couple of points on it. So scroll down, scroll down. So we want to get two skin tone points. Careful not to get like their clothing, because then it's going to say that that's their skin tone. Okay, so maybe here, this part of the hand. So you might want to zoom in. 2 points per person. All right, then you click finish so you can get to the next person. So her arm is probably more darker than her tone, and that cheek part right there is probably too light. So try to get the point that best represents their natural skin tone. Circle. Okay, so that's actually everything. We've selected all the points. Okay, step 4, we're going to get some data here. Hit play on the top. This part I actually decided not to, you don't have to screenshot it, but it's good for you to see what those values are. Scroll down, hit the next play button. And this is actually the thing we want to put on our project. So if you click, hold, and move it around, you can kind of see all of the points that you selected. Okay, and where they're kind of grouping together. So try to get it so you can see it. If this would not be a great view because like you don't get to see all the points. This is probably a better one. Okay, and that's the thing that we're going to put in our project. So you click here, and let me put this here. So whether it's ads or articles, you're going to drop that into this thing here. Okay. Oops, resize it. There we are. All right, anyways. So when you do this, there's one more thing you want to grab. So after you get this scatter plot, keep going. You want to save all your data, so we can do one more thing with it. So when you hit play, it's going to put this big string of numbers, which might seem like it doesn't make sense. Double click it. So something's highlighted, Command A or Control A to highlight everything. Then you can copy it. And that is actually what we're going to put in our Google form. So when you do your Google form here, fill everything out, and when you paste it, right, it should look something like that. We need to have this information because we're going to paste that same data into the second part. And that is it.